All right, ladies and gentlemen, section 3.6, multiplying matrices. Now, you can multiply these by hand, okay? Your teacher probably showed you that and it's in your notebook. And if your teacher wants you to multiply them by hand, make sure you can do that. I'm going to show you with the calculator how you can do it that way, and you can also use it to check your answers if you did multiply it by hand. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the calculator and I'm going to put these three matrices into the calculator. All right. So depending upon what type of calculator you have, okay, older calculators have a matrix button. It's just, you just push the button. The newer calculators, you can see right here, there's a matrix. It's a second function. So we're going to hit second and then the matrix. Again, the older calculators, there's just a matrix button, but some of the newer ones, all of the newer ones, you got to go second and then matrix. Now, if there's stuff in there, don't worry about it. You're going to need to right arrow over to edit, and we're going to start with matrix A, so we're going to pick number 1. Now, looking at A, it says, so this is a 2 by 3. So we're going to go ahead and set the dimensions on our calculator. So we got to go 2, enter, 3, enter. Now we can type the numbers in for matrix A. All right, here we go. So it's 8, enter. 26, enter. -4, enter. -14, enter. 0, enter. And 10, enter. All right, now we need to go and put the other matrix in. So we got to start over again. So we're going to have to go second, matrix, or just the matrix button. Go back to edit, but this time pick number 2, matrix B. Okay, looking at it, matrix B is a 3 by 3. All right, so here we go. We're going to set the dimensions 3 by 3. Type them in. All right, now we're going to do matrix B, or D, sorry, D as in dog. Matrix D, go to edit, number 3. And this is a 2 by 2. All right. All right, now that we have the matrices typed in, we need to get out of this screen, okay? So the way we get out of the screen is to do right here, second quit. So second quit. All right, so let's see what the first problem is. The first problem says take matrix C and times it to matrix A. So let's see, matrix C is a 3 by 3 and matrix A is a 2 by 3. So if you remember the rule here, ladies and gentlemen, the columns of matrix C must match the rows of matrix A. So this is not possible. If you do it on the calculator, you're going to get an error message, okay? So the columns, or the column in matrix C must match the row in matrix A. All right. That is, all right, so now A times C, well, let's see, they're reversed. So We've got a 2 by 3 and a 3 by 3. This one will work because the columns in A match the rows in C. So on the calculator, we can simply type that in. Now remember, if your teacher wants you to show the work by hand, you need to look at your notes and figure it out by hand. This is just a check method, all right? So you're on your home screen, you're going to go back to the matrix, and you're going to pick A. We're going to hit the times button. I don't think you have to, but we can hit the times button because we're multiplying them. Go back to your matrix and pick C, which I put in matrix B. Okay, I put matrix C in matrix B. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so again, I put matrix C in matrix B. All right, so here's our answer. Okay, let me do this. Okay, so I put this one in B on the calculator, and I put this one in C on the calculator. All right, so let's see. Our answer to that problem is that. All right, let's write that down. So we got 4, negative 54, 250, negative 22, negative 42, and 102. Okay, I'm going to double check that. Negative 122. All right, that's better. Okay, so again on the calculator I used A and B. All right, hopefully that doesn't confuse anyone. So compute D times A. Well, again, I switched it on the calculator. I'm doing the C times A. All right, so looking, we've got a 2 by 2 and a 2 by 3. So yes, we can multiply those together because those two match. The columns and the rows match there. All right, so on the calculator, we're going to do C first, and then times the A. All right, there are the numbers. Okay. All right, so we have negative 38, negative 78, 22, 86, 52, and negative 58. All right. That is it for multiplying matrices.